Dear friends, do you know PSIR optional has been a launchpad for many toppers in the civil services examination, propelling them to scores of 300 plus? What has been your score lately? In your PSIR journey, most of you face three pivotal challenges. Despite consistent efforts, some students are unable to break the 260 marks barrier. Intense focus on general studies often leaves limited time for dedicated optional preparation, and lack of finding unique and valuable content that sets your answers apart. At Forum IAS, we are ready to tackle these challenges head-on with you. Recognizing that a one-size-fits-all approach won't get you a rank, we have designed two dynamic pathways for optional preparation. These are the Augmented Test Series and Optional Answer Writing Focus Group. Now let's dive into the details and see how these programs are going to help you. The Augmented Test Series is ideal for students who are having a foundational knowledge of the subject. The tests simulate exam-like environment for political science and international relations, expert evaluation and targeted feedback for constant improvement, value addition to content in terms of case studies via classroom discussions. The O-AWFG syllabus is divided into 36 micro-segregated tests, making it perfect for beginners. Students can assess their understanding by answering 3 to 5 questions per test. Post-test discussions offer intensive conceptual clarity. To help you understand feedback, clear roadblocks, and clear doubts, and keep you oriented on your goal, dedicated mentorship by faculty is available with both the programs. So start early, join today to have a disciplined, differentiated, and consolidated preparation.